Welcome to the Laipac support page. In this video, we will show you the unboxing of the LooKWatch. When you receive your LooKWatch, this is the packaging it comes with. What we are going to do is remove the cover and open the box. What we have inside is the LooKWatch. In each of these two compartments is the LooKWatch accessories. We have the USB wall charger, the USB magnetic charging cable, a screwdriver for removing the SIM card tray, a couple of extra screen protectors, a couple of extra screws for the SIM card tray, we have a USB charging cable, the USB clamshell charger, and lastly we have a LooKWatch quick start guide. This is the LooKWatch. It is recommended to fully charge the LooKWatch when you receive it. What we are going to do is remove the screen protector. I'm going to set it off to the side here. After charging the LooKWatch, power it on by holding the power button for about 3 seconds. This is the Select Measuring Units screen. We can choose between the imperial and metric system, Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature. This is the language selection. What we're going to do is we're going to select our language and select Confirm. This screen you can select your weight, height, walk target, and gender. Once we are finished, we can select Confirm. After applying your settings, the LooKWatch has successfully started.